Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide. In today's video, I will show you how to mute a chat on WhatsApp. Muting a chat allows you to silence notifications from specific conversations without leaving the chat, helping you focus on what matters. So, let's get started on how to mute a chat on WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your device. In the chat section, find the contact or group chat that you want to mute. Once you have found it, tap and hold on the chat until a menu appears. From the menu, tap on the mute option. Now you will be given the choice to mute the chat for different durations. 8 hours, 1 week or always. Select the duration that best suits your needs by tapping on it. And this is how you can mute a chat on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.